Oh, I love my garden. My pepper trees and my chilies. Fresh veggies for my babies. Look at these gorgeous chilies. Look at that. And my pepper juice. And butternut is just going beautifully along with the herbs, fennel, mustard, fennel, sweet potatoes. My garden, but look at my chilies. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? Loving these, loving these. Look at this. Oh, I think I've got green fingers. I think I've got green fingers. Oh, that's my grenadillas. They are looking beautiful. Definitely got green fingers. You can find me a nice red chili. Pussy? Help me find a nice red one. Okay, I'll help you. Here we go. Here's one. You want to climb up? You want to climb up? What about some pepper juice? Oh, I've got green fingers. Thank the Lord. Pussy, look at you! Chilies. Chilies, more chilies, beautiful chilies. Papaya trees, 200 of them. I need to sell them. Avocado pear trees, got to sell them. I've got many, far too many. This is actually my herbs, my spearmint. More avos, many papaya trees. We've planted hundreds already and I have to sell some. Look at that. I've got green fingers. No, black chicken. No, get out of Mummy's garden. Blackie won. If we get out Mummy's garden. No, you can't eat Mummy's garden. No, let's come play in the kitchen. Come on.